Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Kindle Unlimited. To begin, navigate to the Kindle Unlimited page on Amazon's website. Look for the option to start your free trial, which typically lasts for 30 days. Once you've signed up, you'll gain immediate access to a vast library of millions of titles. You can then explore this extensive collection directly from your Kindle device, the Kindle app on your smartphone or tablet, or even through your web browser. It's a straightforward process to unlock a world of reading. Once you're a member, browsing for your next read is simple. You can search by genre, author, or specific title directly within the Kindle app or on the Amazon website. Look for the Kindle Unlimited badge on book covers or product pages to confirm eligibility. Remember, you can borrow up to 10 titles simultaneously. If you wish to borrow an 11th book, you'll need to return one of your currently borrowed selections first. This system ensures you always have a fresh supply of reading material. Reading your borrowed books is incredibly flexible. You can pick up where you left off on any device linked to your Amazon account, whether it's your Kindle e-reader, tablet, or smartphone. When you've finished a book, returning it is easy. Simply go to your Manage Your Content and Devices page on Amazon or directly through your Kindle device. This action instantly frees up a slot, allowing you to borrow another exciting title. Managing your library ensures a smooth and continuous reading experience. Kindle Unlimited offers tremendous value, providing unlimited access to millions of ebooks, thousands of audiobooks, and a rotating selection of popular magazines for one low monthly fee. It's a fantastic way to explore new authors and genres without additional cost per title. A pro tip: always use the Read for Free button to borrow, rather than buy now, to ensure you're utilizing your subscription. Keep an eye on the new and noteworthy sections for fresh content added regularly to maximize your reading adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.